In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and adjust some of the settings on Pinterest to enhance your user experience. We're focusing on how to make your profile more discoverable by toggling your search privacy settings. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Pinterest's homepage. If you're already familiar with the process, you know that a quick search or simply typing Pinterest into the address bar will get you there quite swiftly. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, the next step is to access your personal profile. This is where all your customized settings and saved pins are stored. To do this, head over to the top right corner of the screen where you can see your profile picture. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. This drop-down menu will have several options related to your account management. Focus on selecting View Profile. Clicking on this will take you directly to your personal Pinterest profile page, a collection of all your boards, pins, and activities. On your profile page, the next step is to look for the Edit Profile button. This is typically located near the top of the page, clearly visible under your profile picture or name, so it won't be too hard to find. Selecting Edit Profile is essential because it allows you access to various settings related to profile management. Everything from the basics, like your display name, to more nuanced settings like your account's privacy options. Now shift your attention to a setting labeled Profile Visibility. This setting plays a crucial role if you're aiming to make your profile more visible to other Pinterest users or even to search engines outside of Pinterest. You'll notice an option here called Search Privacy. What this does is control whether your profile can appear in search engine results. A profile with search privacy toggled off will be more accessible and easily found by those who are searching for related pins or boards across the internet. When you see the search privacy option, you'll notice it comes with a toggle switch. If it's currently set to on, your profile is hidden from search engine results outside Pinterest. To change this, simply click on the toggle, switching it from on to off. By doing this, you're essentially allowing your Pinterest profile to be indexed by search engines, making your curated content more accessible to a broader audience. And just like that, you're done. These simple adjustments take only a minute but can greatly impact how others find and interact with your Pinterest profile. By turning off search privacy, you're inviting more interactions, ideas, and inspiration from a larger audience. So go ahead, explore, pin, and let the world see your creativity. Thank you for watching and happy pinning.